Customers happy and a smiley, no my good G. Business I grow for go billionaire coop G. Check out the smiley man, I'm proud of some should feel. Raise right farm of the chicken them for good deal. Sell the foot, sell the neck, sell the gizzard. Cash off ready from a meat for delivered. Next year I want for one couple bigger and buy material for start build a villa. Burger King soon link for the lettuce, got the leaf, I got green like ball in a tennis. To society, I never want on a menace. I'ma buy some fall, I'ma feed them pellets.
Welcome family, in this video we'll be talking about Jamaica Broilers Group. We'll get to understand a little bit more about the company, how it makes money, and the financials. Well, that'll be in the next video as you guys requested, because I did make a poll and that's what you guys wanted. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to a friend. And with that said, let's begin. Jamaica Broilers Group was founded in 1958 as a poultry company, and since then has been vertically integrated in Jamaica, USA, and other countries. And yes, I know what is vertical integration. Vertically integrated just means that they control all aspects of the production line, which in turn benefits them in a few ways. One, maintain a certain level of quality control, and also gets the best possible pricing when it comes to raw material for the goods and services, because they own everything. It also helps them to have a more solid control of the supply chain and distribution aspect as well. So from the feeding of the chicken, to the chicken I grow, to the chicken I get slaughtered, to we eat it at KFC or house. And this level of control that allows Jamaica Broilers Group to be sole supplier of chicken for KFC. To the point where if they are short on chicken, the guy that fans the breeze in the vents will pass KFC at daytime, I go to a job. So yeah. Anyways, the company is best known for its flagship brand, Demetress chicken, which is offered in a wide range. You can get it fresh, frozen, ready to cook, and ready to eat. And the group provides several other services, including hatchery, which essentially is just, making the chicken in barn, I guess. Animal feeding mills, egg production, cattle breeding, shipping and logistics, and international poultry breeding. So how do they actually make money? Alright, so they make the money in three main ways. The first one is through the consumer consumption segment, which is the majority of their sales, over 70% of their total revenue in 2023. And the customer segment includes sales of chicken, eggs, and other processed foods under the various brands, such as the Demetress chicken, Reggae Jammins, Hamilton Smokehouse, and Hypro Foods. The second largest revenue generation is their agricultural sector, and this includes things such as the sale of baby chickens. So like when you go country or wherever, people sell them own chicken, but they buy it from Jamaica Broilers Group. So the sale of baby chicks, chicks them call it. So the sale of baby chicks, animal feed, and farm supply. So you can buy the chicken from them, you can buy the feed from them. They have veterinarian and technical assistant services as well. Veterinarian mean when them chicken them to get injections and everything that makes the chicken stay alive. And if the chicken them need hormones and them something there, you buy it also from them. And the remaining sector that generates revenue for the company is the shipping and logistic aspect. And this is where they provide services, not only for them, but for other customers, where they ship their produces internationally and import as well. So now for the customers has a wide range. You can just say roughly everybody. But to be more specific, you have individual households who buy chicken. You have businesses such as retail, wholesaler, distributors. You have hotels. You have restaurants such as KFC, I'm just there to talk about. You have caterers, schools, and literally several other forms of institutions. And of course, as mentioned before, they also serve small to medium farmers, essentially providing them with the baby chicken them, the feed the chicken them are gonna need, the wormwood chicken them are gonna need. They also make feed for other animals like pig and goat and cow and so on and so forth. In addition to helping them or providing them with the necessary knowledge needed to actually maintain and keep chickens alive or keep their produce alive. So technical support. So the group main customer base is in Jamaica, and United States. However, they also serve countries in the Caribbean and has recently extended their reach to Canada, UK, and the Middle East. Now for the growth of the company. Looking at 10-year recap, this company has been increasing revenues for the longest while. I think, if I'm not mistaken, every year they make more and more revenue. Last year they recorded a revenue of roughly 91.3 billion and had a net revenue of 4.4 billion, which is still a lot. And this is in Jamaican dollars. And they have achieved this growth by just continuously investing and reassessing the situations and the market conditions and so on and so forth. And best believe that they have been fighting the good fight, especially in COVID and in Haiti, especially when they had to actually leave the country. But we'll talk more about that. However, COVID actually helped them in other ways because persons were at home and they were eating more and they wanted more nutritious meals. And chicken is very nutritious. So they got a nice little bump in revenue. Yeah, they got a nice little bump at that point. Alright, now for like new developments. New developments in the sense that what have they been doing? Outside of just continuously investing, because this company is they only really like say big news whenever there's something big. It's not like every little thing you're going to hear them announce and so on and so forth. However, what they have been doing over the years, the other day they actually invested 200 million Jamaican dollars into their Cumberland hatchery in Portmore, which essentially increased their capacity by 25% and also increased biosecurity and energy savings. They also launched the antibiotic free poultry, which is more targeted to persons that are more conscious about their health and what they're actually putting in their body. They also acquired Whelp Hatchery for much $1 million, and it was basically like the leading baby hatchery in the United States. However, at the recording of this video, when I was looking for B-rolls, I saw that they released a statement that they sold. Not sure what they're going to do. They say it's a part of their strategic growth or something like that. Alright, so dividend mention. I won't go too in depth with dividend. I'm going to put that for the financials. However, they do consistently pay dividends. The thing is, though, it's not a lot. I think in aggregate last year they paid a total of 86 cents per share in dividend, and for a stock price that is $33, you can see that it's not really that much. But they do pay dividend, plus at the same time it's really a big company and they have been just growing, I guess. So yeah, so you're not getting enough money, but you gotta look at something for being an investor. But some of the issues that are facing Jamaica Broilers Group like really have passed, in the sense that it was in COVID-19 and we're like, I say 2 or so years out of it now. And the issue was that there was a lot of issues in the Haiti aspect of their production line. So they had to scrap operations in Haiti, which cost them roughly $900 million. Yeah, that essentially has been their biggest issues. And then back then they had some issues as it relates to like restaurants and hotels were like closed because can't really serve food on them something there. So their big customers were not actually like buying as much. However, I guess it translated to a lot of other persons just buying chickens for themselves and cooking. So yeah, and essentially they just continuously improve. And as I say, it's a company that personally I like. No, this is recommendations. Actually, I do have shares in that company. So yeah, on to the financials. Well, in the next video, I'm gonna try to drop it for Friday, Saturday, one of them 2 days there. We're going to do the dividends, the Almanzi score, the relative valuation, DuPont, and some other metrics that I've been, just playing around with. So yeah, also what I'm going to do, because I feel like most persons that want like the separate video or want one whole video might have not seen the post. So the post is on my community page. However, I'll just make 2 comments and you guys like which one. Anyone that has the most likes, then I don't want them to work with. So yeah, as always guys, love you and catch you in the next video.